Hi guys, so today I'm here with my sister. You guys have seen her in a couple of videos.
Well, first of all, bitch, my name is Caitlin.
This is my sister Caitlin. You guys have seen her in a couple of videos before. Today we are going to be filming a Crunchyroll Expo haul. We went to Crunchyroll Expo this weekend. It was a 3-day event in San Jose. We went with our friend Rika and we stayed at her house. So
shout out to Rika.
Yes, bitch. We thought it would be fun to film a haul for you guys. I didn't vlog anything. I thought I was going to, but when you're caught up in the moment trying to enjoy the event, it gets hard to vlog.
Our hands were just like so full with the stuff we were getting, and you have to be really careful with the prints you buy. You don't want to mess that up, so no time for vlogging.
Also with like a lot of the vendors in the artist alley, they don't want you to photograph any of their products, so I didn't want to deal with that, but we thought it would be fun to film a haul because we got a lot of really cool stuff that we're really excited about. But anyway, let's get started.
I'm gonna start off with what's in my lap right now. We just got back from the expo.
Yeah,
we literally just got
20 minutes ago,
and we're like, okay, we need to film all our stuff. It's a mochi pillow. They're described as like mochi because they're so soft and comfy, and oh god, so squishy.
Mine is a dog, right?
Oh, I thought it was a pig this whole time. Yeah, this is a dog, but it's pink.
Yeah, I wanted a pink one.
Cat, of course. Little Neko.
So cute. I wanted a pink one because I didn't want to get a white pillow dirty.
Yeah. And our beds are just full of pillows, so this is like the best thing ever.
I know, but it was $35, which was a pretty good deal considering that like there were other vendors that had similar pillows and they were like 50 bucks. So we came across this vendor that had a bunch of them.
I spent the last of my cash that I brought on
this was one of my last big purchases, but we're so excited about these.
So highly recommend.
I know. I see these everywhere. Like
they're so soft and
you can travel with them.
It's like that velvety kind of feel. Like
these are our badges. We got these really cool badges.
Well, first of all, they gave you this lanyard. It's fake grand order. But I didn't attach anything to it because I already had a lanyard that I had some buttons on it. But since we're showing our lanyards, I'll show the buttons that I got.
Yeah.
So this Bakugo button I already had, and I already had this Deku button. These are the buttons that I got. So this one I got for free because Verve Gaming was like one of the sponsors. Okay, and then here's Articuno because I'm Team Mystic. So add me on Pokemon Go. This is Togepi. Here's an Espeon. I really like buttons if you can't tell. In addition to pins. This is Oikawa from
Oikawa.
Okay, whatever, bitch. Okay, and this is Charmander. I love Pokemon. Moltres, Zapdos, and then Umbreon. Oh, this isn't all the buttons that I got. I'll show you what's on my lanyard too. So Rika got us these from Japan a long time ago. So it's Todoroki and Deku fighting. Suyu, also from My Hero. And they were selling them for like 28 bucks at Crunchyroll, and I was like, damn, these bitches be getting ripped off. There we go. So Hakuto. Yeah, Kelly got me this. She has Haru.
These are the ones I have on mine. I have Todoroki and Bakugo.
And if you want to know what I'm eating, it's Swedish fish. I'll show you the other buttons I got.
You got so many fucking
Shut the hell up, bitch. They were like $1 each, or buy 5 get 1 free. So if you've seen ReZero, you know these two. What's his name?
Oh, Subaru.
Right. Subaru and Amelia. I'm covering my face. Eevee and Eevee's evolutions are like my favorite Pokemon, so I got all of them.
If you guys didn't know, we collect enamel pins. I think we showed a bunch in our Christmas haul. I have all of mine right there. This was our time to go ham at Crunchyroll Expo because a lot of our favorite Instagram pin creator. What?
I had a hair in my mouth.
A lot of our favorite pin Instagram creators were gonna be there at Crunchyroll Expo, and a lot of their stuff is always sold out online. So we were like, we're gonna go and get everything that we've been wanting for a really long time. So we know the artist for this one. Her name is Blush Sprout on Instagram, and she creates the cutest pins. And Caitlin and I have been eyeing the My Hero Academia pins that she has. She has a collection of the Magic Fairy Tale ending for season 2.
So for enamel pins, there's different grading if you don't know about enamel pins. They're graded based on whether they have defects or not, because like when the manufacturer makes them, sometimes they'll come back like missing chunks of enamel, or they're like scratched just from being like shipped, or like the manufacturer messed up or whatever. And so the seller or the maker of the pins will sell them for like
cheaper price.
Yeah, cheaper price. I'm a cheap ass, and like I wanted more money to spend on like art and stuff, so I usually buy the B grades when I see them.
I'll show all the My Hero ones, and then Caitlin got a few others that she can show you guys after, because we both got the My Hero collection. So this is Suyu, Froppy. So freaking cute. This is All Might. This one's one of my favorites. It's Aizawa, Eraserhead. Deku, of course. Midoriya. Todoroki. This is Tokoyami. Best Girl Right Hero, Choco, Kirishima, and then Best Boy, Bakugo. And this is the free pin I got for being a Crunchyroll premium member.
I'll show you the ones I got from Blush Sprout. This is supposed to be a B grade pin, but it's really good. There's just like little blackened bits of the metal, but you can like hardly tell. Oh, he's so cute. Haku. This is Haku from Spirited Away. 02 from Darling in the Franxx. Oh, she's so cute. So these three that I'm about to show are from another artist. This is a Pikachu, very cutesy, and the tail hangs down. Look at it, so cute. And then this is an Eevee. It kind of looks like Flareon. It's a bit orangey, but it's supposed to be Eevee. I got this charm from the same vendor. Okay, so look, the star, the keychain is a star, so that's already perfect. It's the Eeveelutions. You can tell I love the Eeveelutions.
So I got this pin from Mala, spelled M-A-L-A. I've been on the hunt for a really cute Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood pin, and this was like the only Full Metal pin, and it's of Alphonse. He's so freaking cute. Pocari Sweat bottle. Pocari Sweat is a Japanese drink, and a lot of my favorite sports anime feature this drink, so I wanted to get it because it was on sale. This is Keith from Voltron. If you guys haven't seen that, it's on Netflix. Got some Disney pins because they were all like discounted. There was nothing more than $15, and whoever collects Disney pins, like y'all know they're expensive. First I got 2 pins because my boyfriend asked me to get them. He really likes Nightmare Before Christmas, so Jack Skellington with Mickey Mouse ears. All the pins I got from the Disney thing were $5. This one says a ghost will follow you home, and it's like Haunted Mansion. Chorus, y'all, we gotta rep the Lion King up in here. If you don't like the Lion King, are you even a Disney fan? Okay, I love 101 Dalmatians, so I had to get Pongo and Perdita. I haven't seen that movie in years.
And then I had to get one of the pups. Yes. There's a series of the princesses, and they all look like this. I already have Mulan because Craig went to Disney World this summer, so he got me that. And then this is Belle, one of my fave princesses. Pocahontas, another of my fave princesses. Yes.
We decided to get friendship charms with our friend Rika.
Okay, we'll just show you how Rika looks with these photos. They were having like a photo booth kind of thing. Every day we went to take a photo, so here's day 1. I am anime because, and then you're supposed to write something at the bottom and you could post it on the wall, but we wanted to keep the photos, so we didn't.
Day 2.
And then day 3.
And this was free.
Yes. And it was nice. They print out 2 photos, one for you to keep, one for you to post on the wall.
Okay, so we wanted to get matching friendship charms today since it was our last day, and we wanted to get something to remember Crunchyroll Expo by. And so we figured that we would get our favorite characters from My Hero. Well, we love the Baku squad, Bakugo squad.
So our favorite characters from the Baku squad.
Yeah, so Bakugo, Kirishima, and Kaminari. I got a Bakugo one, Keion got a Kirishima, and then Rika got Kaminari.
Kirishima!
They were all from the same vendor.
Oh, and then they're double-sided. Yay!
I got another charm. Okay, this one was from a different vendor. Rika got Kageyama from Haikyuu, and I got Nishinoya. Nishinoya is my favorite character from Haikyuu, so I wanted to get him. So then I got 2 stickers. The first one is this Bakugo sticker. I thought this one was so cute because it shows like a bottle of hair wax and his hair is crazy. And then this one was adorable too. You guys remember that scene in My Hero where it shows a baby Deku pretending to be a hero to rescue his mom?
I got these stickers. Pokemon. Yes.
So this was something that I was not planning on getting. Well, actually, I was saying if I found a phone case that was really cute.
Yeah, because
one of my favorite characters
these kinds of phone cases that people made.
Yeah, so this is a custom phone case, and it says Plus Ultra at the top, and it has Bakugo, and it's in orange and white, which is one of my favorite colors. So when I saw it, I was like, bitch, I need this.
Did you notice this is a charm?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they put like little decal things in there.
It was only 30 bucks. Usually iPhone
and she wasn't gonna get it.
Expensive, but I will definitely be putting this on my phone when I go to Japan.
Some clothing that we got. So I got this for my boyfriend. It'll be his Christmas present, but I was definitely wearing it while we were there, and I'll probably steal it from him after I give it to him. But it's this All Might sweater that was at the Crunchyroll booth. It's so awesome. It's weekend All Might and then just like normal All Might. And Kelly got it too. This is a large.
I'm wearing a medium.
And the large fits almost like a dress.
They're super good quality. They had the long sleeve version.
It's so
of this.
warm. Like I put it on and I start sweating, honestly.
Yeah, I'm sweating right now. But I guess on the topic of clothing, we went to the mall after today's Crunchyroll Expo adventure because we were trying to find Rika a Haikyuu shirt. So we went to Hot Topic at the Westfield Mall. They didn't have any Haikyuu shirts, but I did see this My Hero shirt, which I hadn't seen before. Oh my god, bitch, it looks so good. It's my 2 favorite colors, red and turquoise. And It says just My Hero right here. It's tie-dye. And then the sleeves are the cutest part because they have the characters. Deku, Ida, Ochako, Kirishima. How cute. Let me see if the other sleeve has different characters. Oh my god, it does. Both sleeves have different characters.
Oh, what?
This one has All Might, Tsuyu, Bakugo, and Todoroki.
I wish I had gotten it now.
Oh my god, so I'm really happy I got this. I checked online and it's not available online. And then I just saw it in stores and I was like, bitch, that's cute. I can wear that all the time.
Crunchyroll had a lot of like posters. Even though they have the Crunchyroll logo on them, I still grabbed some. And I'll probably just like cut it out. But like here's Yuri on Ice, Bungo Stray Dogs. I haven't started this yet, but I heard it's really good, so I really want to watch it. One Piece, I'll probably give this to my friend that likes One Piece a lot because I don't think I'll ever start it, but it's super popular. Long. I don't know how to say this, but like it looked really cool and I was like, it looks like an anime I'd probably start watching, so I got it.
They were showing a bunch of different movies. I had already seen this movie in theaters, but they were showing the English dub at Crunchyroll Expo, and Caitlin and Rika hadn't watched it before, so I was like, let's go see it. You guys are gonna love it. You're gonna cry. And even though we don't like English dubs, this one was actually really good. It kind of made me like the movie even more because it was easier to understand, I guess. Sometimes translations can kind of fuck up the context of an anime, but this was really good. And so they gave out free movie posters. Last things we have to show are prints that we picked up. I have a ton of prints on my wall. I actually need to rearrange the prints on my wall because I have way too many prints now.
So I'll show the small one first, and I do know the artist. It's Sophia Manio, I think. Okay, so this is the only ship that matters, the #1 ship of My Hero Academia, and don't let anybody ever tell you otherwise.
It's gonna become canon eventually.
I got the last one from this artist. I like kept passing it by, and then finally I saw that she had a sign that said this is the last print of this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to grab it. And so it's Kachako. I think it's pronounced ZZ. It's like ZZY ZZYY. Hopefully my boyfriend doesn't watch this because like I'm about to show all his Christmas presents. Here is Saitama from One Punch Man. It's his favorite anime of all time.
But they were having a deal. It was buy two get one free. So me, Caitlin, and Rika each got a poster, and we paid like 13 bucks for them. The one that I got when we did that deal is this one. It's Death the Kid from Soul Eater. My boyfriend and I just finished watching the anime and we freaking loved it. Death the Kid is my favorite character from Soul Eater, and Lord Death is in the background, and that's my boyfriend's favorite character, so this poster was just too cool to pass up. I also got another poster from this vendor after because I kept thinking about it. This is the one that our friend Rika got, but then when I saw her just like admiring it, I was like, I want it too. And so this is Haikyuu. There's Suki, Kageyama, Hinata, Oikawa, Nekoma team, and then a couple of the Karasuno players in the background.
There was this artist that had like a lot of spooky art, and like the minute I saw it, I remember the name, Built from Sketch. I saw it, her art, and I was like, oh my gosh, like my boyfriend will definitely love this art. Reaper, and it's just like really spooky. It almost looks like watercolor, I think.
Yeah.
And then this print I'm really sad about because it's so gorgeous and I fucked it up on the first day. So yeah, our friend Rika got a Violet Evergarden print today and she kind of fucked it up, but not as badly as I did, okay? Yeah. It's a Violet Evergarden print. Look at how beautiful this is, and I fucked it up. First, somehow, I don't even know how this happened, but like it tore at the top here. Oh my god, like the tear was fine, but then I took it out of my bag and it was fucking creased, bitch. And you could see the white. And this print is so beautiful.
It is.
And I messed it up.
Okay, and then the last print that I got is from one of my favorite artists on Twitter and Instagram. I think it's pronounced Lowa. It's spelled L-O-W-A-H. And she has the fucking cutest prints for My Hero Academia. So I got this one, which is the Fantasy My Hero ending, season 2. Same as the pins.
The only thing that matters though is that my Bakugo print is untouched. It's flawless. I hope I haven't jinxed this, but
I know.
That's all that matters. Everything else can get ripped up. But this right here,
it's based off the same theme.
Needs to remain untouched. This is like the fairy tale Bakugo. Oh my god, just look at this. Look at his abs. Just saw this and I was like, I have to have this up. I don't care what my boyfriend says, but I know he's not gonna want this up. But it's gonna be up right above our bed, framed.
Yes.
And I'm gonna have like a whole wall dedicated to Bakugo. Just one more look. Oh my god.
Okay, well that is it for our Crunchyroll Expo haul. We had so much fun. It was a long 3 days, but totally worth it. We definitely want to go back again. We got to see most of the panels we wanted to. The My Hero Academia and Doki Doki Literature Club panels were so full, so we couldn't get into those, but we saw
both of the Darling and the Franxx panels. The one today was about making of Darling and the Franxx. The character designer, Tanaka, he did a few live drawings of the characters. He did 02. 01 and Ichigo, and it was so cool watching him draw.
It's really cool to see how much time and energy went into creating one of our favorite anime of all time. Not only saw Makia, but we also saw the movie Fireworks, which was pretty good. I liked it. It was cute. We spent most of our time in the artist alley. If you guys are thinking about going, you should definitely go. It's definitely worth your time and money. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to JKVideo8, like this video, and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at JKVideo8, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.